Since 1963, Remke Industries has been a pillar of strength in manufacturing industrial electrical connectors and cabling assemblies, right here in the heart of America, just outside Chicago. For over 6 decades, we've built our reputation on reliability and quality, producing products that withstand the test of time and the harshest environments. Remke proudly offers one of the industry's largest selections of cable grips and conduit connectors. Our extensive range ensures that you find the perfect fit for your specific needs. Our dedicated engineer solutions team is here to tackle custom modification requests. This means we can provide specialty parts that others simply cannot. Our products are made from spec-grade materials with precision design, engineered to excel in the most demanding applications, from food and beverage processing to oil and gas exploration, wastewater management, and beyond. Discover the Remke Difference today. Visit us at remke.com or contact your local sales representative to learn more. Remke Industries, industrial strength electrical connectors built for the toughest environments.